Are you lonely and pathetic? If not, yeah, right. If so, then listen up. You think nobody likes you, everybody hates you, and maybe you're right. But you can still make soup. And I'm gonna show you how. You go to Aldi, you go to the can aisle. You're gonna get yourself corn, carrots, and soup. You're gonna mix them all together. You're gonna put them in a big pot. Where's your pot? It's in the sink, because you're a slob. Look at yourself. You got your trash bag hanging from your door. There she blows. Oh, look, the spoon's there too. All right, you got your pot and it's clean. First, you're gonna pour in the soup. Next, the carrots. Beautiful. And then, the corn. Great. Now mix it all up with your spoon. What else do you put in soup? Red pepper flakes? Italian seasoning? Garlic? I don't know, why not? Stir it. Stir it up again. Now I know what you're thinking. That looks vegetarian. And it is, and that's okay. But it's also vegan. And that's not. So let's fix it. Come on. You're gonna take your Aldi milk and you're gonna measure it on out. Woo-hoo! And pour that can of milk into your soup. Woo! Stir it. Now remember, you're home all alone and no one's coming around to check on you. So, very carefully. Ooh, start the. Now as it heats up, remember to stir the slop, you filthy pig. Slop. Filthy pig. Soup. Once bubbles begin forming on the surface, you know it's cooked. Turn off the heat, probably. You got a bowl and a spoon, actually clean. Let's try to keep it that way. You just need a cloth, your pot, and salt and pepper to taste. You, my friend, are ready for a lifetime of loneliness. Enjoy. It's sweet.